Okay, I'm not going to do too much talking on here. I just want to tell you that when you get all your ingredients together and you separate each bowl for different colors, make sure that the consistency of the bath color drops are not wet, but they're not dry, because if you get them too wet, they will not work. The red that I did, that you will see as this video goes on, did not come out right because they were way too wet. So make sure that you're not wet and you're not dry, but you're in between. Okay, go ahead and watch the video, and I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you make some bath color drops, because they are pretty fun. One more quick thing, do not use food coloring. Use a soap colorant set. It's for soaps, lotions, and things like that. Do not use food coloring because it will dye your kid's skin, or it will dye your tub. It's just, I just wouldn't do it. And the silicone, little heart silicone deal that I have, they are very tiny. It would probably be better to get a bigger silicone set mold, because the hearts were just too tiny, but they still turned out fine. Just get a bigger one if you're going to do this. And here are 2 notes. They have to dry overnight, and they will swell. If you push them back down, that's fine. If not, that's fine. It's not going to hurt anything. They'll just be a little puffy. But yes, they have to dry overnight.